Hey, this is Matt with Rapid Fitness, and today we're going to go over how to deadlift. Again, these are, as we state with all of our videos, these are just training considerations. So each person is going to be very different. Make sure that you take the adjustments necessary to make these lifts work for you. I'll attach a video below concerning that as far as your lever systems and how that affects every major lift. So for example, a conventional deadlifter, a person with short femurs can drop their hips significantly deeper than a person with longer femurs. Tom Purvis does discuss this in the video I do attach below. So we're just going to go over the basics. The first thing is the setup. So 3 things need to line up in the deadlift. It's the middle of your foot, not the foot that you see, but the whole entire foot. So it should be maybe right about your shoelaces or so. You're going to find that if you deadlift conventional, you're not going to necessarily be right on your shins, and that is okay. It's supposed to be that way. So that's the first point, is the middle of your foot. Second point is the barbell, and the third point is your shoulder blades, your scapulas. Unlike in the bench press where we discussed the bar path of a bench press, which is if you attach a marker to the end of a barbell and it drew a line, a deadlift should draw a straight line straight up and down versus a bench press is arced. So once you have those 3 points set up on a conventional deadlift, the middle of your foot, barbell, and the shoulder blades, you're just going to then grab a hold of the bar and drop your hips until your shin touches the barbell. And here's a video of what that looks like. So once you're in that position, pull the back flat and press through the floor. Again, working for that upwards movement of the bar in a straight line. So you might have some rounding in the upper back. As a beginner or a novice, we're going to try and eliminate as much of that as possible. As you move upwards of 500-600 pounds, which most people aren't doing right now, you might have some rounding in the thoracic or upper spine. One more thing we'll mention quickly is that we do want to take the slack out of the bar. So that means we're going to flex our back, and when we flex our back, we're going to try and start with our chest as far north or as far away from the bar as possible. So when you pull on the bar, it shouldn't be a big yank. You should be able just to apply the pressure from the bar through your body into your feet and press through the floor. If you yank on the bar, you're going to lose all this tightness that we work so hard to achieve. So let us know your questions in the comment section below. And that's it for this week. See you next Tuesday.